It's your boy DK underscore typical TV, and today we have another Factor IO part 3. And this system, we're going to be using pretty much a converging system. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so as you can see right here, there is two conveyor belts pretty much joining into one. So pretty much once the system starts, that one conveyor belt is going to continue delivering straight, and then the other one is going to come at the end, transition over into the right side conveyor belt and go forward. As you can see here, this is pretty much our code, or pretty much the way it's laid out for the control systems for the conveyor belt, the converging conveyor belt itself. So we have multiple areas. We have the start system. We have the counter system. There's a system to control the conveyor belt, the conveyor belt 1, I should say. And then there's pretty much the same thing, a system to control the transferring of the pallet from the left side conveyor belt onto the right side to conveyor 1, essentially. And then there's a control for the exit conveyor belt, which is going out, and also for conveyor belt 2, or essentially the left side one that's being transferred over to the right. It's a lot here. It's kind of hard to tell, and in the top right corner also is the counter to count all the conveyor belt, to count all the boxes or pallets, I should say, together. All right, so we're going to start this system here. So once I press the start button, as you see, it lights up, and once it goes on to that beginner one and that transmitter, I believe it's the transmitter we have, not transmitter, it is, I think, the load we have controlling the count. So I see once the main one gets loaded with a pallet, it counts the pallet. So as you can see there, that's the third one, and that's the fourth one, so it counts it. So once this pallet is on, and if another pallet goes through it on the right side, it'll just continue on until, see, as you pretty much see there, it's pretty much waiting. So this is me stopping the system, so it's pretty much stopped, nothing's going. The conveyor belt, the exit conveyor belt is essentially stopped. It only activates once it sees the sensors or something to exit. So there goes the transfer, still count. This is the reset button to reset the count. So as you can see, the pallet on conveyor belt 2, once that gets loaded and there's no sensor being triggered on the main conveyor belt, it stops conveyor belt 1 and transfers the pallet and whatever item it may have over to the main conveyor belt, and then continues. As you can see, here you go. See, nothing's there, so then it boom transfers over to the main one. Same thing with here. It's loaded, nothing else is coming through. Boom, loaded the main conveyor belt. See, and that one just will keep on going. We're gonna stop the system right here. After this conveyor belt, as you can see, we're gonna stop right here. Everything stops. Alrighty. See, and then it starts up again. Starts conveyor belt 1 and conveyor belt 2. System works pretty good. But it was a fun experiment. All right, this is the whole system. Thanks for following. Please like, subscribe. Have a good one.